For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting. itiskitimes.co.za. Orlando Pirates 2, Magesi 1, repeat of Lamdlalo budlale last season. Last 16 ye-Carling Knockout Cup. Nalapho ke iMagesi yawina khona ke ngo 3-2. The only difference this time around is that Orlando Pirates are through to the semi-finals. But man of the match last season is a man of the match nakule game namhlanje samkhumbula Elvis Chipezeze, where he saved Magesi from onslaught last season. Again namhlanje, I think we should have went to half time leading, if we are fair, leading by 3-0. But that man was the difference between Magesi catching a tennis score namhlanje at Orlando Stadium, Elvis Chipezeze. But jona bendibulela umdlalo, mandikubulise kunjani mfethu?
Yeah, Shane kunjani mfethu?
Okay.
Shayithope emanzi intini mfethu.
Imanzi nte?
Ngibulise Chamu Justice, ngibulise uLindo Phep, ngibulise uBobzini, ngibulise uBenedict Sofilakazi, ngibulise uNkululeko my brother.
Yeah.
Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting Itiski TV, fighting one, try to fix South African football. Yeah man, Shane just ukudlulisa message Saturday ngizobe ngilapha ku make gym mfethu.
Madoda.
Yeah,
madoda.
As a guest lapha na shoot kunenye interview kumele
madoda.
Yeah, thanks to make chief for invitation. Sobe spicy notes ama copy asele. Myself and Nicolas Kerkers.
I've never watched that show, but not to say I've watched it. I think there was Robert Marawa, there was Uteko. I only watched the Kakobanibe Sport, but I think I will be watching for the third time now. That to Cohen, I'll watch it.
I know we're very tight Ntwana umuntu grand and Shakespeare uthanda nesponsor Itiski TV mjita.
Thank you so much.
And what a nice guy, but the mom tell it uzokudelela ngozi.
Yeah, Junior, let's get into the game.
Yeah, Shane fit well deserved for Orlando Pirates. I'm fit to talk about Orlando Pirates. Anyway, it's very easy. You don't need much. Into zoyikhuluma ngeOrlando Pirates isn't ezinhle kuphela. Orlando Pirates, they deserve to win this game today. Not even I don't think they deserve to concede a goal even today. I'm not too sure how they concede. Lapse of concentration, I don't know. But to China need to learn. I think I'm across some show China. I've been watching with China. Kulmanga games and week in and week out. Crosses you need to decide. If you need to win the ball. Sometimes it doesn't need to have to handle the ball, melal punch ball. Because now the ball I believe la payana begwe lake. Pull my 6th area. Pull your punchy ball.
It's the last kick of the game. Because after punch la ball, ball game yaphela. Because after he the Magesi umdlalo waphela.
Yeah. What if they win skati? Going to the game. Eshimfeti Pirates, whoever identified players at Orlando Pirates, ngikhuluma ngama-player abawasayinile. Because how you play, sengikhuluma nge-philosophy determine ama-player awasayinile. Sometimes you don't need to play with the defensive midfield. Ngihlale ngisho mina. Teams like Pirates, Chiefs, Sundowns, obviously badlala ngendlela ezihlukile. But sometimes you don't need to play with the defensive midfielders.
When there's no need.
Sometimes akumelanga akusukuthi always, sometimes. Or sometimes you can play with one defensive midfielders. I love what we did today. Udlale ngomTechena, which is I believe a content of man of the match. Him nalomchitu Tito Maswangai. Also the goalkeeper Chipezeze. Ngizomnika. There was a reading site in the Orlando Pirates. Ngikhuluma ngokuba fluid. Pirates mfethu they understand the strengths of each other. Pirates each and every game they play this season they dominate you. They train you, also they punish you. Surprise. They rely on teamwork, also individual brilliance. Well done to Orlando Pirates. I love how they play. Pirates, they badlala ngeside left, which is Lomfana Ndaba and Lomfana Mreme. They understand one another. Well done Lomfana Ndaba, look compose, decision making, well done to him. Unkumbuzo Mdiba go Sundowns how he plays. That boy, if he plays the way he played today, Sazambona mabam test amagatoli wing, right wing forward. Ezomlanda, ngoba priority yakho to defend is to defend.
Yes.
But today look comfortable on the ball. Mara ngifuna ukumbona defender. Tactically, how he's going to react if Amlanda ngabo 1v1. But Senkulma, the way he was playing on the left-hand side, did very well. Well done to the guy. And also Mremi. Well done to the coach who sama player. Guma position, guma stronger foot. Kulma, left-footed adlalega left. Right-footed adlalega right. Though, I believe it's adlalega right obvious. Or police, they made peace with Zodlaleze half wing. Bam sign as a left wing forward. Kupulukwane City. As experienced player, bam respect, obvious, the contract. Now, Mchita, contract she's a must play. Now, into a delivery span. So irrespective of what you're doing, you can't put him on the bench. So you need to start the game because Pirates is a game changer. Sometimes you win new games are vital. So Apolice udlale afuinga on the right hand side. Badlala ngoluwitso, uye baphuma ngapha right. They trust these two center back, which is ulomfana lo Usiema Nombogazi. Because Magambili Luwitso just draft on the right hand side. Nkuluma ngalomfana Usiema. Mbogazi become a central midfield. Well done to Pirates how they play in today's game. Created so many chances. If there's no combination play, if you don't run behind the defense, you're not going to create chances. Pirates, individual brilliant, they create winger, he creates something out of nothing. Well done to Tito Churi. After a while, Scotty sitting in Shali Zandla, goal number 2. Nkulumanga bola le lalibamba kule pocket. Ukushaya le pass ama player afuna ukurisk adlalele la pass basaba ukulose ibhola shayile le pass with good goal from Evident Makropa. First half I think the Pirates they deserve to score. I think they were supposed to lead by 4-5 goals. Mbutuma, there's a difference between Uksha and Okora. You need to learn. Sometimes you don't have to use the leads. Just pick the spot.
Yeah.
If Auko shot, just have an extra touch and finish. Well done to the guy, Njoba Ngisho, Evident Makropa, coming from the bench. Amboni is good to look. As a striker, you just need to pick. Mabulbam being a lace, but the angle very different. First half, I think Pirates dominated the game, created so many chances. That's why I need to. This year, depth is quite sabo. They have some quality players, depth. Also, the best 11 in the depth. It's a team, but team effort, also individual brilliance.
You think? Sorry, you think also one of the reasons where Uko this season, besides the coaching will always be there, whether it fails or it succeeds. But do you think one of the many reasons Orlando Pirates this season are flying is because of the quality players that have added into their squad for this new season?
Other season, the Pirates in fact be best 11, best 11. On the bench, not much. Mhlambe ngaba you-1. Mhlambe uKim Vidu nakadlali sometimes.
Yeah.
I'm just making an example. But into Pirates namhlanje mfethu. We talk about the Pirates. Angithi namhlanje I'm talking about this season's Pirates. Everybody need to fight for the chase. You will never know who's going to start. As much as umbule ngemncanya but unoqala ebenchini. Tito Masanga sometimes kunamagame ayithunga mboni. Kabelo Dlamini unoqala ebenchini come and win the games. I'm just making ngenza nje aware. Relebogile Mfokeng a star player, one of the best player. Use Grandstand. So Pirates a bit depth. A different Orlando Pirates now. It's very difficult to say coaching Zima. That's why. Coach a quality team. Yes, I would go right.
Yeah.
Now you need a coach. It has to be balanced. But Pirates themselves now my coach Shane they are much. Yeah, no, honestly, Zinzima njengobning. For you to attack Orlando Pirates, you need to think twice. In today's game, Uchon Matuka, Gimbonila Dala, a system Begatala, I think he packed the midfield now. Begatala maybe it's like Begatala 2 also asking the center language up front to come back, Baby 3.
Orlando Pirates namhlanje uqale ngoCameron Denson. I think he was their holding midfielder playing alongside Willem Tajel. But when you look at on the side of Imakis, there was an experienced midfielder, but also a former Orlando Pirates, Unkanyiso Zungu. Did he impress you namhlanje?
Pirates didn't have a specific defensive midfield today. It depends. I love sometimes. So Unkanyiso Zungu, it was difficult to mbone. When you play surrounding, your teammate need to assist you. Surrounding. Yalazi people talented there. He doesn't have to prove himself. But today, he tend to become an extra defender. Because every man behind the ball. Ngoba bekadlala njoba ngisho he played nga2 bekuyu Unkanyiso nalengwenya lenye I think I forgot his name bekadlala ngayo in the midfield but
what's his game? I just forgot. I think he also played for Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
I just forgot his name.
Yeah, Unkanyiso Zungu I forgot namnyal kumbulika malak. Badlala ngabo boy2. They're sitting there, nobody's going, there's no attacking midfield between the two, there are two defensive midfielders sitting there. And then Epek for Abukabimile, no wing back going and join as nothing. So Epek for Emile, now two defensive midfielders. So Orlando, Then when you're a striker, the coach asks him to come back and defend, become extra midfield. Kuti Pirates ngapho in the midfield. Lo mfana uDansile udlalile, but what I engifuna ukuemphasize kuye nje, you need to understand. Ngiyazi usesemncane, Antwana can't put pressure on him. I love his technique. Technically very good umfana. Angise umuntu obeliever kulabantu ama-giant and stuff. Yes, ibody yakhe akusukuthi too short, but into ekumele engifuna nje umfana igeleze. Sometimes may have simplify, man. He loves sometimes to run with the ball, and mawuluza ibhola udlala lapha kuleya position iba dangerous. Yabo team shape, but very good player mfethu. Yalazi ibhola. Pirates I think good signing. Also speaking in the future the room for improvement. Ibhola yalazi. So coach even asking about Chivara Mandari today to come back, become adlala double wing back. I chew. Ikutshela ngePirates ukuthi good kangakanani. So in today's game, Saga coach. I know ukuthi John Matuka is not a bad coach. He's a pity to coach a team that they are so tremendous under pressure. But people well again. And that equality also it was a different. Pirates mfethu and this team the different was huge equality. Pirates the penalty team we go marker also they got punished. Yeah.
Junior, thank you so much, my brother, for your analysis. Besibukele no Junior umdlalo we-Carling Knockout Cup Orlando Stadium, and lapho ke Orlando Pirates has begin indawo ku semi-finals zale tournament, doing much better than last season, because last season they were knocked out in the last 16 of Carling Knockout Cup. Now they will have to wait for tomorrow, because Imarumo Galas they will be welcoming Stellenbosch kwenye quarterfinals. Last quarterfinals, I think i-draw izakwenziwa straight after la mdlalo wangom, so PSL still need to advise, but I think mhlawumbe bazayenza soon after the game, so that sizoyazi ukuthi i-last 4 ubani uzodlala nobani. But namhlanje Orlando Stadium is Orlando Pirates 2, Magesi FC 1. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.